up, babes? Welcome back to another video. My name is Dominique if you are new, and today I will be showing you guys how I complete a middle part bun on my relaxed hair. This hairstyle is perfect for the holidays because it is so classic, it is so chic, and it's so like beautiful. Maybe you're looking for a hairstyle to go to a Christmas party, or you're going out with the bae for the holidays, whatever the case may be, or simply you just haven't had time to wash your hair yet. A middle part bun is so perfect. So if you are interested in how I achieve a middle part bun on my relaxed hair, then stay tuned. Good morning, babes. What is up? So as you can see, this is that good morning hair. This is that I literally just rolled out of bed hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take my paddle brush and start detangling. Then I'm going to go ahead and start making the middle part with just the paddle brush. And of course, I'm going to clean up the part with a comb. Using a comb, nothing special about this comb, just a regular comb. I'm gonna go ahead and start making my part. If you guys see me looking down, it is because I am watching YouTube videos. Now that my part is nice and finished, I'm going to go ahead and oil that part. So just using this OGX oil, I'm going to spray some and then of course massage it into my scalp. Because guys, although we are doing a low part bun, we do not want it to be dry. So you will see me put oil in my hair throughout this entire low bun tutorial. Now that my part is finished, I'm going back in with my paddle brush and I'm just going to go ahead and move the hair in the direction that my bun will be going, of course. Using my spray bottle, I'm going to go ahead and start wetting my hair. Water is like the main ingredient that I will be using. I do not like a lot of product in my hair. It's majority water, guys, I promise you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair. Make sure you get the front, the back, the sides, and start to massage that water in your hair so it can get below the surface. As far as gel, I like to use the Eco Styler because it does not flake up on me. And as you saw, that is the most gel I will use in my hair, and that is going to be enough for my entire bun. Now using a hard bristle brush, I'm going to go ahead and start my bun. So I'm moving the hair onto my actual temple and using a soft bristle toothbrush to perfect it, because of course the hard bristle brush cannot get into small places. So I'm just going to be using the hard bristle brush to do the little swoop edge and just fill in my hair in certain spots, because it can look a little sparse and it can make you look like you are balding when in fact you are not. So I'm going to be going back and forth from my hard bristle brush and the soft bristle toothbrush. So I'm going to go ahead and of course just start combing the back of my hair, and as you can see, I'm using my other hand to smooth everything down. This is key because you want your low bun to look really chic and smooth. Moving on to the other side, I'm just moving the hair onto my temple like I said, and now that my hair is gelled down, I can see the imperfection in my part. So just using the comb, I'm going to clean up my part and make sure that it is as straight as I can get it. And I'm just, like I said, using more water. Water is the main thing that I like to use because I do not like to just gel my hair down. I feel like that is so unpleasing looking. It does not look good. And I'm just going back and forth with the comb, the toothbrush, and the bristle brush to make sure that everything looks really smooth. And as you can see, my hair starts to like split apart. So that's where you want to use the toothbrush to go ahead and push the hair together so it doesn't look like you're balding. Once you feel as though one side is good, you can just go ahead and make little baby hairs on the side. And it is still not perfect, as you can see, so I will be going back in to make sure it doesn't look like I'm balding. And I'm just tucking everything behind my ear. Using the toothbrush, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in those parts with the hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the little swoop in the front. This just gives it that very chic look. And of course, I'm like a mini perfectionist, so I'm gonna keep messing with it until I am satisfied. And like I said, I'm going to be using a lot of oil because I hate a dry looking bun, guys. And also my scalp is dry. Like you guys know, I do have really dry hair. So I want to make sure not only my bun is nice and shiny, but I don't have dry hair with this bun. Moving on to the actual bun part, I don't know if you guys can notice, but I did get my hair cut recently. So it is in a blunt cut, and yeah, that's why it looks like that. It is much healthier, and I love healthy hair. I rather healthy hair than long hair. So I'm going to go ahead and twist up my hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to twist it and then roll it. I don't really know how to explain it. Now you can really see my blunt ends. I don't know if you guys see that, but yeah, I'm going to twist it and just wrap it around. So this part is for my people who do not like tight buns. I recommend this when you are going to school or you're going to work and you're just going to have a long day. I only use one scrunchie, so I don't put two on. I'm just going to go back in with the comb and just make sure everything is perfect because that is the end of the bun. Like I said, guys, going in with your fingers and your hand to smooth everything down is definitely the key when doing edges and doing buns. Now this is for my babes who can not do loose buns and they want a super tight bun. So you can go ahead and go in with a scrunchie and then you can put your stylish scrunchie on top. Or this is for my babes who cannot get the twist and roll down with just one scrunchie. After making a ponytail with the plain scrunchie, I'm going to take my stylish scrunchie and do the twist and roll method just like I did for the other one. P.S. I'm not a fan of black scrunchies. I do feel like they pull out my hair. So the cheetah one that you guys see is a silk scrunchie. I love silk scrunchies. I'm just showing you guys two methods because everyone is different. Everyone does not like silk scrunchies and everyone does not dislike your classic black scrunchies. So I am giving you guys the best of both worlds. Once your bun is final, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Moroccan oil. As you guys see, I love this oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a small amount in the palm of my hand and swish it together and then just put it on my bun. Like I said, I'm not a fan of dry buns and I have dry hair, so I do need to oil my hair every single day, and it just makes your bun look more classic. Like, who does not like a classic shiny bun? Like I said, I am watching YouTube. I was watching DK4L vlogmas, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my silk scarf. Now this is key when doing a bun as well. It just lays your hair down even more and it just pulls everything together. So when I do low buns, I like to of course do my hair first and then I like to do my makeup. So I do wear this until everything is finished. I also do this when it's time for me to go to school. I will not pull this off until I'm almost getting out of the car, guys. It just lays everything down. And that is all, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this, get this out of my face, and then I'm going to move on to my makeup. And y'all, peep my skin. My skin was popping, like I couldn't. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in another vlogmas video.